Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel eTech360. Huawei Honor 9X. The phone comes with a 6.59-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. At the pixel density of 391 pixels per inch. The Huawei Honor 9X is powered by an octa-core Kirin 810 processor. It comes with a 4 GB of RAM. The Honor 9X runs Android Pie and is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The Honor 9X on the rear pack of dual camera on back. First is 48 megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture and a second 2 megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture. It supports a 16 megapixel camera on the front for selfie shooter. Honor 9X runs the EMUI 9.1.1 based on Android Pie and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded through microSD card up to 512 GB. The Honor 9X is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM card. Connectivity options on the Honor 9X include Wi-Fi 8.11, Bluetooth V5.00, USB Type-C, and headphones. Sensor on the phone include fingerprint sensor. The Honor 9X measures 163.10 by 77.20 by 8.80 mm, and the weight of that smartphone is 206 grams. That smartphone launched in Magic Night Black, Calm Sea Blue, and Red color.